Video we are going to compare Cello and Milton's thermoware hot pot. You can see this is the Cello is 2500 liters, I mean 2500 ml, 2.5 liters, and this Milton one is the 2 liters. Okay, so here you can see in the Cello we will get extra curry strainer, curry holder for placing the curry, whereas in the Milton it will be undetachable. Okay, so and you can see the design, it's 2500 ml Cello one, and Milton is 2 liters. And so you can see the bowl, there is a movement slightly up and down. These are used for holding the curry ball. Okay, quality is good, easy to use. Okay, this curry ball is especially for storing the curries, and also for easier way to serve by remove it outside. So this is the comparison between Milton and Cello.